Are you tired of not working? Do you need a break from not working just so that you can resume work? Then you have come to the right place where you get advice from a person who has not worked at all but will give you the best advice on what excuse to come up with just so that you can skip that one day of work. So, the first excuse is tell your boss that your pet has been vomiting. Hello, good morning, boss. I don't think I'll be able to make it to work today because my pet dog has been vomiting non stop. Good morning, boss. I don't think I'll be able to make it today either because my pet rat has been vomiting non stop. Boss, I don't think I'll be able to make it today either because my pet dino has been vomiting non stop. What? Hi guys, here's your warm food. Y'all can eat it now. Get it like warm, eat, warm, it. It's like you're not even lying. I'm like a genius, dude. The second excuse is just call in sick. No, dude, I'm not sick. No, I meant call in sick. Yes. Colin's not sick. No, I meant call in sick. Dude, somebody called me. Just call in sick. I mean, if you think it's completely outdated and overused, there are multiple ways of calling in sick to work. Boss, I don't think I'll be able to make it today. I'm just way too sick and cool for this job, dude. No, but I will come back tomorrow. I really need the money to pay this month's rent. The second way of calling in sick is just tell your boss that your pet is not well or your pet is sick. Now hold up. You might think, dude, didn't you use this in your previous excuse? And how is telling your boss that your pet is sick calling in sick? That doesn't make sense. But dude, that's where you're wrong. So let me break it down for you. So there are two things in this scenario. One is your pet and one is you. And what do you do to your pet? You love your pet, right? And second, what do you do to yourself? Pleasure. Love. You love yourself. I mean, come on, dude. Justin Bieber made a whole song about it. I mean, you can always go and ask him about that later. But anyway. So you love your pet and you love yourself, right? What is common? Love. So if you love your pet, that means you love yourself. So loving your pet means loving yourself, which means you are your own pet. So when you tell your boss that, oh my god, my pet is sick, I can't come to work today, it means that you are sick, you can't go to work today. That means you're not lying and you're not using the same old excuse. Since we're anyway talking about being sick or calling in sick, the next excuse that you can use is just tell your boss that you've been diagnosed with a disease and you really need some time to let that sink in. Boss, I won't be able to make it today. I have been diagnosed with a very, 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 very fatal disease. Oh goodness, what disease? The doctor said it's in a stage where it cannot be cured. I have been diagnosed with I don't care-itis. The fourth excuse that you can use is just tell your boss that you have too much on your plate right now. I don't think I'll be able to make it to work today. I just have too much on my plate right now. The fifth excuse is just tell your boss that you forgot you had plans. Malaika, where are you? The meeting started half an hour ago and we have lunch with the clients. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I completely forgot we had plans today, and I already prepared lunch for myself at home. But I will come next time. Don't feel sad. I'll be there next time. I'm sorry. Okay, bye. The sixth excuse is a classic old trick. Just tell your boss that there has been a death of a loved one. Hello, boss. I won't be able to make it today because there has been a death of a loved one. No problem at all. I'm sorry for your loss. Thank you so much. It was my favorite number and he was so unique. The seventh excuse is just tell your boss that you have a really large shipment coming in and you have to be at home to receive it. Boss, I won't be able to make it to work today because I have a really large shipment that I ordered weeks ago and it's coming today. So I will have to skip today. What shipment is this and why is it so large that you have to skip a whole day's work and sit at home to receive it? Oh, it's mint flavored Titanic. The eighth excuse that you can make is just tell them that it's raining and you can't make it to work that day. And the best thing about this is it just doesn't work only in the monsoons, but it works throughout the year. I mean, if you are using this during the monsoons, then great, you don't even have to make a separate excuse to cover up this excuse. But if you're using it throughout the year, this is amazing. So I won't be able to make it today. It's raining cats and dogs outside. There's no way I can step out of the house. Malaika, what? We are in the midst of summer right now. Yeah, correct. But that's in India. No, I am in Singapore right now and it's raining very heavily. So there's no way I can step out in this rain and come to work. You're not in Singapore. You came to work yesterday. Correct, boss. But if we were in Singapore, I wouldn't be able to come. No. The ninth excuse that you can give is tell them that you haven't been caught yet. Boss, the thing is that I haven't been caught yet. We've been playing hide and seek since last night, and if I go out voluntarily, then I will have to look for people, and I don't really like playing that part of the game. So is it? So, boss, I think someone's coming. I'll have to keep the phone. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked the video. And if you liked the video, go ahead and like the video. Until then, I will see you next week with another video. Till then, take it easy. Bye.